I'd like to talk a little bit about high power cables. Times Microwave Systems has a great portfolio of flexible high power cables. Not only flexible cables, but cables that are designed to perform with flexure over time and handle very high power levels. If all you have to do is handle high power, these traditional corrugated cables, 1.25 inches with the various corrugated cables, will handle a tremendous amount of power. The problem is they're extremely stiff, basically like a piece of pipe. So if you require flexibility or especially performance with flexure, these are not going to work for you. There are some old designs that are still used today. The RG220 cable, it's been around for a long time. It's considered a flexible high power cable, solid polyethylene, round wire braid, solid copper center conductor. RG218, also a high power cable. You know, these have their purpose and have their place. They're low temperature materials. We have a lot of cables that are high temperature materials and are very, very flexible. This here is what we call our SFT 600 cable. It's a tape wrapped dielectric, PTFE tape wrapped dielectric. It's an FEP jacket, silver plated copper flat braid, meant not only to be flexible, but to handle power with flexure over time. It's a 7-strand center conductor, good rugged high power cable all around. This here is a version of our SFT 600 with a rope center conductor. The rope center conductor is going to buy you more bend moment, more flexibility. It's also going to buy you more performance with flexure over time. It's much tougher to work hard in a rope center conductor as it is a 7-strand center conductor. So but it won't handle quite the power levels or quite, a little bit extra insertion loss because of the rope center conductor. But if performance with flexure is what you're looking for and flexibility is what you're looking for while handling a lot of high power, this is a great option. This is also a connector that we developed here. It's an LC, a version of an LC. It's a quick connect LC, just a snap-on, snap-off LC connector. We have LC connectors for most of our high-power cables. We also have 7/8 EIA connectors, 1 5/8 EIA connectors, and even some 3 1/4 inch EIA connectors. We have a wide range of high power cables, and I think this cable here, what we call our HPL 1200, really does a good job demonstrating our capability and the breadth of our high power cable. This is a large 7/8 cable, very high power, all expanded PTFE dielectric. It's a rope center conductor. As you can see, very, very large cable, and you can take it and bend it like that. High temperature, high power. We have dozens of high power cables in our total portfolio, and as I mentioned, we have all the high power interfaces. Thank you.